So I'm gonna show you how to get RedotPay virtual card or physical card cheaper. Pretty simple and easy. First of all, if you don't have an account, make sure to sign up and get $5. The link in the description. After that, make sure to deposit some amount in order to pay for the card. I dropped a whole video how to deposit into RedotPay from Binance, link in the description too, so go check it out. After that, what you want to do is go to benefits in the bar, and as you can see how it picks limited time sale. So RedotPay offer 50% off for the virtual card. So instead of getting it for $10, you'll get it for only 5. It happens to be 3 times or 2 times a day for 1 hour, and it's limited quantity. So make sure to wait it and leverage the opportunity. After you wait the time, click buy now. So in order to get the card, you must have a billing address. Make sure to fill the form with your correct information. After that, click pay, and as you can see here, your card went for a review. After that, it got approved, and this is your virtual card. You can view your virtual card number, and you can add RedotPay card to Google Pay, as you can see. And that's it. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and see you on the next one.